Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video I want to show you how you can fix your phone if it's not charging. And suppose if you have a phone and it's not charging properly, or it's taking a lot of time to charge your phone. So what you can do is, most of the time what I've seen is that there is something logged into the charging port of your phone. So make sure that you clean it out first and try charging again, and then if the charging is working properly, it's all good. But if it's still not working, then there is something wrong with the adapter or with your phone. So the first thing that you need to do is clean out the mess inside of your charging port. So this mobile phone is not charging properly, so I'm going to show you that what tools I use to clean it out. So you will basically need a needle. So but you make sure that once you insert this in here, it does not touch this the middle part, which is basically the charging pin. So without hurting the charging pin, whatever is around it, you need to clean that out. So or you can or what you can do is you can use the other end of the needle, and the pointed end can be avoided, and you can use the other end, which is this one. It can also work for cleaning out your charging port. So I'm gonna go into the charging port with my needle, and I'm going to show you. You can already see that there is something that is logged in here. So let me clean it out. Just a moment. I'm trying to hold my phone and also record it and show it to you. Okay, hold on. So you can also see that right here, these ports are kind of logged in with a lot of dust and all that. So I'm gonna try to clean that out. So let me see. Okay, I'm trying to wiggle my way around here, and okay. So you can already see that the dust is coming out of this, and whatever is inside here is getting removed. So just gently pry out whatever you see inside, and then it will be cleaned. Yeah, you need to do it gently, so just don't try to force yourself. It will come out because, yeah, the tool, that the needle will do the work. There was a bigger chunk in here which I have already removed before this video, but then I thought, let me create a video for you guys as well, those who are facing issues in charging your mobile phone. Just try out cleaning this port, and then try reconnecting your cable, and the cable will connect properly. You can see here the cable is getting connected properly. Nothing remains outside, like, no part of the visible portion of the pin is visible. So none of the part of the pin is visible, and so it is getting properly connected, and definitely it will charge properly. Unless there is an issue with the phone and the charging, then of course you need to go to the mechanic and try it out, fix it out there. Okay, so that's it for this video. Until next time, take care.